What's up, AVI? We got a brand new video today. We're going to be doing the easiest and cheapest mod for your 2015 Mustang or newer. So we got door strikers today. I bought the ones that say Ford. They're black chrome, and they'll go right on here if you open up the doors. They'll go right there, cover up that metal, just make it look better. Just out of the factory, it just looks like plain metal, so I think it'll be a nice addition. So there's one side for the driver and one side for passenger. It is side specific, so make sure you get the ones that are pointing inwards is how you know. So this is driver side, this is passenger. And we'll walk you guys through the steps. Should be a really quick video, hopefully. And let's get to it. Coming on to the driver's side now.
How do you stick them on?
So it has little 3M tape right here. Hopefully it'll do a nice stick and it'll be nice and snug. Word of advice is don't touch this because it is very prone to fingerprints. So try not to touch the face or you'll have to clean it a lot. So let's just peel this off.
So the ones you saw online, they said it snapped on instead of stuck on? Is that
Yeah, so I was watching some reviews, not exactly on this one, on door strikers in general, and they say that they do just snap on, but these look like they didn't really snap on. So you're going to want to start from the inside, bring it to the inside like that, and then fit it over the top, and just place on and hold. Obviously I said don't touch it, and I'm touching it now, but I'll just clean it after. And hold for 10 seconds to make sure that it's going to stick on nice and firm. And I mean, it's done. It looks much better, I think. Yeah. We'll do a before and after picture side by side to make sure so that we can see it, and then we'll do the other side, and that's pretty much it.
Let's do a first time door close test.
Hopefully it doesn't interfere. Works perfectly normal. Sorry, my car is really dirty. It just rained for the last 2 days.
Still on there. So. Oh, I touched it. Fingerprints.
Fingerprints. Now you clean them.
Darn.
Now we'll come over here to the passenger side. Take off the stickers. It's good to see that 3M is the sticker brand. They're a pretty good brand.
3M's the best.
Why do I struggle taking these off so much?
Because 3M's the best. It's sticking to its own thing.
I got it all. So once again, you're going to want to start on the inside towards the middle of the car, and then come on and hold, press and hold to make sure that stick is nice and firm.
Nice. We didn't even like clean the metal or anything.
Nope.
But it's sticking on.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean these because of all my fingerprints, like I said. But there you go. I mean, it's a big difference to how it looks.
Matches the interior, the color.
Yeah, I decided to go with black chrome just because my car is all black. So I think they have different. They have blue and silver and red, I think. So I'll put the link in the description below for them. I think all in all they were like 10 bucks shipped here. It took a while to get them, but when they finally came, it's super easy mod. And it just cleans up the look of your car. So I think that's it. I mean, it's the simplest video ever, but
here we are finally together after COVID.
Finally, we're much safer now. Connecticut's doing well, so
yeah.
let's keep it up. Stay home.
Stay home. Put your gloves on, your masks, and just like that, AVI out.